The first hammer was discovered by an archaeologist, and the first hammer was first appearance of a tool used as a hammer or considered a hammer was 3.3 million years ago. 3.3 million years ago they've been using hammers either to shape flint stones, arrowheads, bones, and wood and other things like that. It was found in Lake Turkana in northern Kenya in 2015. The appearance of a hammer 3.3 million years ago. This is the modern folding sawhorse. It has a hammer, a handle. Adjustable legs. So this is a modern one. It has a lock screw here, and these are the different adjustment for it to make it lower, taller. So it has these two pin here, which would be this inside piece here that you can use to shorten the legs or lengthen it. It's pretty, I have it for a few years. It's pretty old. But the thing is that the word sawhorse first originated in the 1700s, used by William Marshall, as he was a land agent and an agriculture agent, and he first coined / used the word sawhorse in 1775. So the sawhorse is a workstation that was used back in the day to finish wood, cutting wood, metal, or whatever they were trying to cut back in the day. So now it's a dominant feature in modern construction and woodwork shops. Most woodwork shop and construction sites have sawhorses as a part of their arsenal and tools. So the sawhorse was coined by William Marshall in 1775. The first hammer appeared 3.3 million years ago. Now DeWalt, which was Richmond DeWalt, is originally from Pennsylvania. He was a superintendent for the Seabrook Farms. He came up with, I'm not saying sander, but he came up with machines and stuff to help. So we're using the name DeWalt. He came up with machines for the purpose of increasing productivity and versatility. But you have the first sander or orbital sander. I'm a little confused there. The first orbital or sander or palm sander, which was created to replace the hand sanding block, which was considered obsolete, time consuming. So the first orbital sander was produced by Festool in 1951 to replace the hand sanding block. Rupert's Tools created the first electric random orbital sander and was released in 1968. So this right here is an orbital sander, and not only has been updated, you can adjust the speed right here. Innovation. So this is what I'm doing today, working on some shells, but these are reclaimed lumber, and this is the end result right here. Well, some of them I can get all of them to look the same, but I'm trying to go for different effect. And as you can tell, some of them have different color paint. They're not all the same. With the advancement of it, these leg folds. This is the lock right here. You squeeze them together and then you fold them, and then you can tuck them inside there. This is a waffle head, and it's a framing hammer. So too, I shouldn't be using this because it will leave marks on the wood, like how it's finished carpentry that I'm dealing with. This one has a little dust bag and gel on and off button, and like I've stated, speed. It works best if you plug it in. I missed the extraction of this nail. Today is just extracting nails, sanding, and doing prep work. Getting the entire stock cleaned up for the bell. All this was done with one pad. Remember, we work for like, share, comments, and likes. But most of all, subscribe. Help us increase our growth. All this is possible with you guys. Thanks for this past year. All the comments, all the shares, all the likes, and all those who new people that tune in, and all the old subscribers that kept on watching. We appreciate all that you guys have done and continue to do. Check out the about sections for more details and stuff that's available to the general public that you can request plus assist with.